The nice folks at Abode just sent us the brand new Abode Smart Lock. So I'm gonna open it up. Abode is really good about smart home compatibility. They're compatible with Alexa, Google, and HomeKit, which is kind of the big triple threat. You don't see that a lot. Isn't that what you're supposed to do in unboxings? So we have some literature, and then the two main components. This is what goes on inside your door. Other smart home or smart locks, this should be pretty easy. The keypad is really slim, really, really slim. So this will be on the outside of your door. All right, what else we got? Some hardware. These will be, I think these are adapters to use your own deadbolt. It comes with two kinds of batteries. We have a rechargeable battery and some AAAs, or some A's as I like to call them. The battery on this smart lock is supposed to last up to a full year, which is pretty awesome. You can lock and unlock this with Bluetooth, the keypad I just showed you, your fingerprint, and the mobile app. So there you have it. Big thanks to Abode for sending us this. I'm going to be testing it in the near future. Stay safe.